So I will discuss another problem in completing square. L inverse of two s plus 1 divided by s square plus 3s plus 1. Again you take the denominator s square plus 3s plus 1. Coefficient of s is 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4. So you add and subtract 9 by 4. S square plus 3s plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 1. So you combine this and this. So this is nothing but s plus 3 by 2 whole square. And if you take LCM, it is minus 9 plus 4 by 4. So it is basically you are writing this as minus 9 plus 4 by 4. So it is minus 9 minus 5 by 4. So you are writing basically you are writing it as minus root 5 by 2 whole square. So when you have minus, I have to give you one formula. L inverse of s divided by s square minus a square is cos h at. If it is minus, you put cos h at. If it is plus, you put cos at. Similarly, L inverse of 1 divided by s square minus a square is sin h at by a. So if it is minus, you take hyperbolic. So here you have minus. We go with this formula. So the denominator, I will write it as L inverse of 2s plus 1 divided by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square. So the rest is just take constant outside. 2 into L inverse of s divided by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square plus 1 into L inverse of 1 I am not writing, 1 divided by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square. So I'm continuing. 2 into L inverse of, I should get 3 by 2, so I will add and subtract 3 by 2. S plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square. And another term is, this is nothing but e to the power of minus 3 by 2 t into sin h root 5 by 2 t by root 5 by 2. So this I will separate numerator with common denominator. So it is 2 into L inverse of s plus 3 by 2 by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square minus 3 into, because 2 into 3 by 2, 2 to cancel 3, L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 3 by 2 whole square minus root 5 by 2 whole square plus this term I will carry as it is, e to the power of minus 3 by 2 into sin h of root 5 by 2 t divided by root 5 by 2 t. So finally this is nothing but e to the power of minus 3 by 2 t into cos h of root 5 by 2 t minus 3 into e to the power of minus 3 by 2 t sin h root 5 by 2 t divided by root 5 by 2 t plus this term. So any problem, make use of completing the square and try to convert it into the proper form so that we can apply inverse ILT. So So there is one last problem which I have to discuss in ILT. That is, suppose if the coefficient is different for S square instead of 1, how to perform? So L inverse of seven s plus 4 divided by 4s square plus 4s plus 9. Basically, to apply completing the square, the s square coefficient should be always 1. Here you have 4. So I will divide it by 4 so that it will become, divide the whole equation by 4. So it will become, now apply completing square, s square plus coefficient of s is 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, add and subtract. So it is plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So it will give you s plus 1 by 2 whole square. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 2, 8 by 4 is 2. So it is root 2 whole square. So I can write it as L inverse of 7s plus 4 divided by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square. Again we can separate it. 7 into L inverse of s divided by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square plus 4 into L inverse of 1 divided by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square. So basically I have applied completing square. I made coefficient of s square as 1 by dividing it by 4 and I followed the same procedure. Again I should have half here. So I will add and subtract half. S plus half minus half by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square. And here it is nothing but 4 into e power minus half t sine root 2t by root 2. And here I will write it as 7 into L inverse of s plus half divided by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square minus 7 by 2 into L inverse of 1 divided by s plus half whole square plus root 2 square plus this term. So final answer I can write 7 into e power minus half t pre-multiply. This is nothing but cos root 2t minus 7 by 2 into e power minus half t sine root 2t by root 2 plus this term. So any problem in completing square, make use of the concept coefficient of s by 2 whole square, add and subtract, write it as sum of squares and just separate it and use the concept of common denominator, separating numerator with common denominator, add and subtract and write the inverse ILT.